What do you think is homosexuality?
Falling in love with the same kind of person.
The Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which regarded homosexuality as a crime, was decriminalized in 2018. Since then, lots of important debates have cropped up all across the nation. But has our nation really benefited from the debates? Is the society now ready to accept homosexuals? Has there really been any change? Let's find out. Welcome to Odisha Post Live. I am Tehdeep Shakil, and today I will be asking the people of Bhubaneswar their views on homosexuality. What do you think is homosexuality?
Well, it is basically a relationship, sexual relationship between between same sexes.
Falling in love with the same kind of person. Living in a relationship.
And?
Married. Forming coitus or intercourse.
It's known to everybody. You ask something which is not fundamental, if you want to know.
एमती तो नॉलेज मो नाही लेस्बियन ऊपर सर्च करी नी.
The Section 377, which regarded homosexuality as a crime, was decriminalized recently.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about
I don't agree with that.
I think it's a very progressive step because any kind of homophobia is very bad because everybody should have freedom and independence of having whatever sexual orientation or relationship they would like to have.
Great move by court. All the countries have done it before India.
So, do you know anybody who's a homosexual?
No,
Not in Odisha.
I don't know.
I actually do. It's one of my cousins.
How does your family react to that? Is your family aware of her
I think
sexuality?
some of them are, but not most of them, because she's only careful about revealing it to like people she trusts, because you know how it is in our society.
It is against the basic things.
So
We should not promote these things.
the doctors and people have been saying that this is biological. People cannot
Biological,
help it.
then sexual need, it is for reproduction. But there we can't get this.
This is something which is basically in the genes or in the biological makeup of the person. So nobody should be actually penalized for something with which he or she has been born.
Very motive of, very aim of creation, what is the creation? People are born, the homosexuals themselves, they are also born to some mothers, isn't it? But they themselves cannot produce.
जो विवाह है वो ही अच्छा है.
वही अच्छा है.
हाँ,
सर क्यों सर?
क्योंकि हमारा परिवार है, मैंने बनाना पड़ेगा ना.
Our ancient Hindu culture doesn't allow that.
Sir, but ancient Hindu temples have carvings and sculptures.
Carvings, it is there. So carvings need not be always followed.
If you go to the temples of Konark or anywhere in India, you see all these idols and statues in various poses of like sexual bliss. But there you don't see just men and women. You see women and women. You see women and men and women and men and men. That just clearly shows that even in our history is rich of homosexuality, bisexuality, and it's something that was there.
I think during the later Vedic period, that was the time where everything got changed. Before, because in the early Vedic times also women were empowered and everything, and there was Varna system. But now during the later Vedic, something happened which led to the caste system and all these happens that's going on in the.
Yeah, that is there. But only 1 out of 1 lakh, means not even 1% following these things.
People think that the homosexuality is something that has been adapted from the West, or something that people have just taken a liking to because it's something that came from the West.
That's what patriarchy will tell you. That is what old uncles will tell you, who do not want you to have thoughts of your own.
There will be no production, no children will take place. Who will see your program?
Sir, but it does not spread
No,
like a disease.
No, it can spread. It can spread. It is a psychological, if you make it a propaganda, it will spread.
सोचना पड़ेगा कि हमारा फैमिली बनाना ये होगा कि हमारा देश के आगे जाने के.
भाई देश आगे कैसे जाएगा? तुम्हारा परिवार बढ़ाओगे तो.
जी राइट.
तो देश
आप
आगे
ठीक बोले हैं. इसी और हम जो बोला है.
सर लेकिन देश में इतना पॉपुलेशन है और परिवार बढ़ा के क्या करना है सर?
हमारा अभी जो कोरोना वायरस है कितना लोग मौत हुए.
ओ तो उनको रिप्लेस कैसे करोगे?
They are normal human beings, so they have also the equal rights as ours.
So why do you think India does not accept them?
It's because of the paradoxical people, that old people
Orthodox people.
Orthodox people. Yeah, right.
I think years of repression, and we have a very, general mindset.
It's like about our ancestors.
Yeah. Do you think that homosexuals look a certain way, they dress a certain way, they behave a certain way? Do you think they can be
I think they're very
identified?
normal. I don't think there is such an identification mark on them. That's weird. It's not there. I don't think so.
I'm not in contact with anyone, but as they show in TV shows, they show it a bit of,
Stereotypical
character.
way.
Yeah.
Do you think it is right to do that?
Don't think so.
If your friend comes and tells you that I am gay or I'm a lesbian, how would you react to that? What do you tell them?
As a normal Indian citizen, I would be act normal with them.
Obviously, I will avoid it.
How would you react if your son or daughter comes up to you and tells you in the future that I am a homosexual?
I'll be fine with it.
हाँ मैं सपोर्ट करूँगा उसको.
I'll accept them as they usually are. So I shouldn't have any problem.
I will try to teach them. I will try to convince them. The way you have chosen is not right. I will try to convince, or rest is up to them.
ये बच्चा जो शुरुआत में वो अच्छे से बढ़ाएगा तो वो कुछ होगा.
उसको अच्छे से उसको परवरिश देने से वो
right,
ये नहीं होगा.
It'll probably be like treated as something like it's nothing to be treated specially. It's
It's
just
like somebody coming you and telling I'm straight.
yeah. Like why think anything about it? Why make such a hype about it?
Same gender marriage still does not get any legal recognition from India. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think in times to come it will be recognized and probably it will get legal sanction. Given the social ethos, it's becoming difficult for people to accept. Probably in time to come, people will accept.
What would you like to tell the people who will be watching this video who want to come out to their parents or their friends? What would you like to tell them?
I think you should just come out, with people you are comfortable with at first, and then gradually you could talk it out with your parents, because however scary the idea might be, I think they'd understand. They would be the first persons to.
I would say that they should gather the courage to come out and tell their parents or whoever they would like to. There will be challenge in facing the social sanction which is currently there, but I would only say that they should have the courage and they will get support from different quarters of society.
You have to accept what they are. Forcing it won't help anything.
Although there are people who are all for normalizing homosexuality, there still remains a large population that struggles to understand the basic definition of it. It is only when people make an effort to understand the definition of it is when they will start to accept homosexuals as one of their own. There is